Every time we hear the name, some top-of-the-line tools come to our mind that has always met our needs, no matter what the tasks are. From robust power drills to aggressive saws, this brand got everything. So in this video, we have tried something different. We're going to be showcasing 5 Milwaukee tools. So without further ado, let's dive in. Stuck at the side of a highway with a flat tire? No problem, this M18 inflator might look ordinary, but it is one of the fastest tire inflators you've ever met. It delivers exceptional speed and accuracy with true fill technology. So what else do we get here? This inflator simply waits, checks, and fills until it reaches the targeted pressure. Every car owner will definitely appreciate it. And yes, Milwaukee didn't consider the build quality of this inflator. Plus, you'll get less hassle if you're going from job to job. Last but not least, if you travel a lot, your car's back trunk should have this M18 inflator. Having an even surface without a leveling tool is beyond the bounds of possibility. This is why the Milwaukee Digital Level comes in. It provides 2 times greater accuracy for all the jobs. In addition, you'll get an advanced calibration process thanks to its pinpoint measuring technology and a dynamic readout. The fun parts begin when you get all the outcomes on its full-color display. But, wait, there's more. This digital level allows you to lock in any measurement with the push of a button. So who's in the right mind and will take projects without having this leveling tool? All your troubleshooting will be quicker now. You can now test and troubleshoot fluorescent lighting in seconds with this tool. Sounds fun, right? This tiny tester provides 10 times faster troubleshooting. Here is how it works. You just have to retract the antenna and put it upon the fluorescent lamp. It'll showcase the indication. Another coolest part worth mentioning is its lamp, ballast, and pin modes. Using these various modes of testing, this tool will maximize your productivity, eliminating the need to climb ladders. The lack of illumination can make working in extremely dark areas a nightmare. This rechargeable Penlight is built to adapt, perform, and survive. Don't be fooled by its size. It delivers up to 250 lumens of TrueView high-definition output. Cool. Well, it has an integrated laser pointer to ensure faster inspection. Wanna know a cool part? This little guy has 2 output modes for your individual operations. Aside from that, it has an IP54 rating that makes it durable enough to withstand tough job site conditions. This is the lightest and easiest way to illuminate your low-light spaces. This an inflator? Yup, it is. Is it gonna meet demands? Absolutely. You must be wondering how this mini tool can handle all those inflations. Well, it is the fastest cordless inflator you're gonna get. It's specially designed for inflating car and truck tires. Surprisingly, it inflates tires pretty much faster than you might have thought. And you can get the desired pressure for your tires to prevent tire damage or any accidents. Still don't think it's worth the money? We want you to try it yourself. And this concludes our list of the 5 Milwaukee tools you've probably never seen before. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.